Hey rock stars, it's Miss Helm, and today you are going to do a vowel team scavenger hunt. Before we jump in, me and Rashid wanted to congratulate you with all the hard work that you have done this week with phonics. You guys have been building words, you've been learning about vowel teams, and both Rashid and I are so impressed with how you guys have been doing. Awesome work this week, and let's keep it up for today's scavenger hunt. Before we start our scavenger hunt, let's review what we learned this week. So this week we learned about some vowel teams. We learned about new vowel teams. Last week we did talk about EA, but this week we talked about AI, OA, and AY. Next week, believe it or not, we're going to learn about more vowel teams. But this week we answered a very important question. How do vowel teams work together to make a long sound? Well, we learned that usually the first letter in our vowel team does the talking. It makes the long sound. And then the second vowel is silent and it doesn't make any sound. So, for example, EA. It's a vowel team, two vowels sitting next to each other. E does the talking, the A is silent. So this vowel team says what, friends? E. Yep, you've got it. Then we learned about that vowel team AI. A does the talking, I is silent. So this vowel team says what, friends? A. Very good. We learned about OA. The O does the talking, the A is silent. So this vowel team says what? O. Very good, friends. And lastly, we talked about AY. We talked about sometimes the letter Y is a vowel. And usually AY comes at the end of a word. But once again here, the A is going to do the talking and the Y is silent. A. Very, very good. We also learned this week that there are some vowel teams that don't follow this rule. They break the rule. They don't work the same way as EA, AI, OA, or AY. They might say something else. So, for example, in the word bread. In the word bread, it's B-R-E-A-D. You would think that the word would say breed, but it doesn't follow the rule, and it says bread instead. All right? Now, you are going to do a scavenger hunt today. You will see a sheet like this in this week's plans. If you don't want to use this paper, that's okay. Feel free to use a notebook or any other paper that you have around the house. And you are going to see how many words that you can find with these vowel teams. AI, AY, EA, EE, and OA. How many words or objects can you find around your house with the vowel teams that I just listed? Write them in the boxes. I know that you guys will do great. Send us a picture of what you guys come up with. You can put it on Seesaw or you can send an email to your teacher. All right, friends. Good luck, rock stars. I know that you can do it.